I'm back with such an easy recipe for you. You're going to want to eat the whole bowl, trust me. This is the peas protein raita. Wow, that felt like a real mouthful to say today. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need, and you can swap out the nuts and seeds to anything of your choice that you have. What I started off with was a very tiny pan. I really don't know why. And then I added some oil to it, warmed it up, added some oil. This is a frozen chili. You can cut them up if you like. I just like it really nicely roasted so I can bite into it at the end, this chili. Then I put in some fenugreek seeds, some mustard seeds, some cumin seeds, let them splutter, cook up a little and roast them in there. Then I added in, these were fresh garden peas, not the frozen ones. Now, I really don't know why I took such a small pan, but it worked and my optimism was in my favor there. But if you're going to be using frozen, do take a bigger pan. I've added some Himalayan salt here. You can add in more. I don't eat that much salt, so this was all that I needed. As you can see, that chili is really nicely roasted. The peas, this was on medium heat for a good 3 to 4 minutes, just mixing it in, making one-handed cooking look extremely painful. I'm so sorry. Now I've gone in with some sunflower seeds and this is it. And I've also added in some garlic, really thin slivers. And the reason I didn't add the sunflower and the garlic before is because I just wanted them a little bit rawer, not totally cooked. Is raw a word? Raw. So just slightly cooked. And that's the first step done. Totally easy. Next is getting any yogurt of your choice. Mine is obviously the coconut yogurt. If you're looking for a replacement for your dairy yogurt, I would say this. It is slightly sweeter than what you might be used to, but the texture is perfect. It's not too watery. I absolutely love this. And even when I used to eat dairy, I never loved yogurt that much. And this I always go back to. So that's saying something. Anyway, coming back to the recipe, simple as whipping up the yogurt and then spreading it onto your bowl. You can season the yogurt here with some pepper, anything that you like. But I just went in with some coriander because it's always nice to add it into everything. Everything tastes amazing with coriander in it. Next, I've just added in the peas mixture. That's it. That's your recipe done. How simple and easy is that? And this is an extremely... well, it's fast, it's delicious, and it could be just one whole meal. This day I used it as part of, I used it like a raita, had it with other things. And I'm going in with some chili powder. You know me by now, I always like to add things on top. So this was gochujang, which is Korean chili powder. You can add in any chili flakes that you like. Some black sesame seeds because they just add to the crunch and the taste of it. And they taste quite nutty, and I love the black ones. They're much stronger in flavour. And that's it really. You could also add in some lime juice if you like, and then anything else that you want. But I was done here at this point. And that's it. If you try this, let me know in the comments section below. I love to hear from you. Just before you serve it, you can mix it all up. This is just a random recipe that I thought up because we had peas that I needed to use up. And why peas with a yogurt? It's just an easy way to consume them. They're really high in protein in this half cup alone. Lots of fibre and antioxidants along with the nuts and seeds too. This was dinner, which was basically like a stew. We also call it as a saru, along with the silken tofu that was scrambled up. That recipe is coming up soon too, so watch out for that.